What are the best things to do after industrial accidents? After industrial accidents, the parties involved need to take a number of steps for legal protection, as well as ethical reasons. These include filing detailed accident reports, reporting complications, and working on developing a plan for cleanup and prevention of future accidents. Most companies have training to prepare their employees for accidents so everyone knows what to do. A person who is injured in an industrial accident should report the emergency immediately to a supervisor and request that a detailed incident report be filed. The report should detail the nature of the situation, the type of injuries experienced, and what actions were taken. This report may be needed if the employee needs to file suit against a company to get assistance with paying medical expenses, or in the event of a disability claim, if a person can prove injury or disability was linked to the accident, more benefits are available. It is also important for people to receive medical attention after industrial accidents. Even if people on site feel fine, they should be examined by doctors, preferably in a hospital setting. They can be evaluated for internal injuries, brain damage, and other issues that may not always be readily apparent. Getting medical care after industrial accidents limits the risk of complications and will also address liability concerns, as the employer can demonstrate that reasonable precautions were taken to provide medical care to everyone on site. Furthermore, it also creates documentation on the nature of the injuries, which may be important for incident reports, as well as filing compensation claims. Supervisors need to file incident reports with as much information as possible. Some people may want to consult an attorney to help them draft informative reports after industrial accidents without creating a liability situation or falsely admitting to something. Attorneys can help with phrasing and will make sure the reports provide sufficient information. Following up to make sure the reports were received is also important, as is asking for assistance with developing a response plan. If industrial accidents involve the release of hazardous materials, government agencies should be alerted. It may be necessary to advise the community to evacuate or to file for government assistance with cleanup and control of the materials. The sooner reports are filed and the more accurate they are, the more help the government can provide. Insurance providers should also be notified so they can send out investigators and assist with response. People in communities where industrial accidents occur should follow directives from government officials carefully, including evacuation or stay-away orders. If people experience health problems or property damage, this should be reported immediately to a government liaison. This person can provide information on filing for insurance or government compensation to pay for the damages.